When it comes to finding a durable SUV that can handle your daily commutes, weekend getaways, and unexpected adventures, reliability and performance are key. In this video, we'll explore the 10 most durable SUVs you should buy today, ranked based on their price, exterior design, interior comfort, and overall performance. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson delivers a fantastic blend of affordability and quality. Starting at around $28,500, it offers a modern and sleek exterior with a bold grille and sharp LED lighting. Inside, the Tucson is all about comfort with a spacious cabin, premium materials, and an intuitive 10.25-inch touchscreen. Under the hood, the Tucson's 2.5-liter engine generates 187 horsepower, providing a smooth and efficient ride. For those seeking eco-friendliness, a hybrid version is also available. Add in Hyundai's excellent warranty, and the Tucson becomes a top choice for durability and value. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 remains a bestseller for a reason, starting at $29,825. Its rugged yet stylish exterior includes signature angular lines and protective cladding. The interior offers practicality with durable materials, plenty of storage space, and an easy-to-use infotainment system. Performance-wise, the RAV4's 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 203 horsepower, while its available all-wheel drive system ensures it can handle off-road adventures. The hybrid version is even more fuel-efficient without compromising power, making the RAV4 an all-around durable SUV. Number 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid takes durability and efficiency to the next level, priced starting at $34,600. The CR-V Hybrid features a sleek exterior with aerodynamic lines and LED headlights. Inside, it's designed for families with ample legroom, comfortable seats, and a user-friendly 9-inch touchscreen. Its hybrid powertrain combines a 2.0-liter engine with 2 electric motors, delivering 204 horsepower and excellent fuel efficiency. With Honda's reputation for reliability, the CR-V Hybrid is an SUV you can depend on for years to come. Number 4. 2025 Nissan Kicks. Compact yet durable, the 2025 Nissan Kicks is perfect for city drivers, starting at just $21,925. The Kicks boasts a refreshed exterior with a bold front grille and stylish two-tone paint options. The interior is surprisingly spacious, with comfortable seats and advanced tech like a 7-inch touchscreen and Apple CarPlay. Under the hood, the Kicks features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine producing 122 horsepower. While not built for speed, its excellent fuel economy and agile handling make it a reliable choice for urban adventures. Number 5. 2024 Honda Pilot. The 2024 Honda Pilot is a family-friendly SUV built to last, starting at $39,150. It features a bold and boxy exterior design, giving it a rugged look. Inside, the Pilot shines with seating for up to 8 passengers, premium materials, and a 9-inch infotainment system. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 285 horsepower, providing plenty of power for highway drives or towing. With advanced safety features and Honda's proven reliability, the Pilot is an excellent choice for families seeking durability and performance. Number 6. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid offers durability with a touch of eco-friendliness, starting at $42,500. Its sleek and modern exterior includes sharp headlights and aerodynamic styling. Inside, the Highlander Hybrid provides a quiet and comfortable cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers, high-quality materials, and a large 12.3-inch touchscreen. Its hybrid powertrain pairs a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to produce 243 horsepower while achieving exceptional fuel efficiency. Durable, versatile, and efficient, the Highlander Hybrid is perfect for families on the go. Number 7. Toyota 4Runner. For those who love off-road adventures, the Toyota 4Runner is a durable icon. Starting at $40,155. The 4Runner features a rugged, boxy design with high ground clearance and skid plates. Its interior is simple but functional, with easy-to-clean surfaces and plenty of cargo space. Powered by a 4.0-liter V6 engine with 270 horsepower, the 4Runner handles rough terrain with ease. While it may not be the most fuel-efficient SUV, its unmatched off-road capabilities and legendary reliability make it a top pick for adventurers. Number 8. 2024 Toyota Sequoia. The 2024 Toyota Sequoia combines power and durability in a full-size SUV, starting at $60,875. It boasts a bold exterior with a commanding grille and muscular lines. Inside, the Sequoia offers luxurious seating for up to 8 passengers, premium finishes, and a 14-inch infotainment screen. Its hybrid powertrain, featuring a 3.5-liter V6 engine and electric motor, delivers an impressive 437 horsepower while improving fuel efficiency. With ample towing capacity and Toyota's reliability, the Sequoia is perfect for large families and heavy-duty needs. Number 9. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is a durable SUV with a loyal following. Starting at $28,895. Its rugged design includes cladding, roof rails, and 8.7 inches of ground clearance. Inside, the Outback offers a comfortable cabin with supportive seats, durable materials, and an 11.6-inch touchscreen. Performance comes from a choice of engines, including a 2.4-liter turbocharged option delivering 260 horsepower. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and advanced safety systems make the Outback a reliable choice for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 10. Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe is a full-size SUV that doesn't compromise on durability or space, starting at $56,995. It features a bold exterior with a massive grille and modern LED lighting. Inside, the Tahoe offers a cavernous cabin with 3 rows of seating, premium materials, and an intuitive 10.2-inch touchscreen. Under the hood, it comes with multiple engine options, including a 5.3-liter V8 producing 355 horsepower. With a high towing capacity and advanced safety features, the Tahoe is built to handle everything from road trips to heavy-duty hauling. There you have it, our list of the 10 most durable SUVs you should buy today. Whether you prioritize affordability, off-road capabilities, family-friendly features, or fuel efficiency, there's an option here for everyone. Which of these SUVs caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more rankings and reviews. Thanks for watching.